this. Uno is a bunch of idiots who are following them. No care when you go long, me not afraid. I mean, you couldn't have every bomb where they making in the world. So, me will tell you anything come out my mouth. If you know where good for you, turn these dirty stinking jeep, drive them either in the sea, or you drive them go about in the business, or you call the army and tell them, say, miss, me name Steve from my wicker. I mean, there are hell shop on the beach, and no boy can't take me for this until me ready to go home. So if you don't know what for now, wrap up them here and just go on about the business. Because you know hard to do this. Some arts have to work over here up on the business. That's the thinking stage tonight until we make better stage than work on. We don't call on the Prime Minister and tell him, say, Mr. Him cannot take we have our private beach. We don't think it's a fool we not deal with. We don't can't deal with poor people. So I am not a poor man. So no boy can't tell me nothing. So if you know what phone just turn and go on the yard. With the pan L. Sure, that them blood classes and condemn with. Wanna come out to the business. Tear down and nasty. Wanna go out to the business. You can't be dead.
Video man, video.
I shoot me, shoot me, it's bad. But if you're bad, just shoot me. One on. It cannot do me none. Me iron and bombard still. A boy if you know that. So tell the Prime Minister say, me, take me over here so. If he have sense in come sit down and raise with him and teach him like a logic for if you run country. When you come here like germs, to find dirty thinking when you're going to drive on. I want to run, come over here. And things I hear that when I come to. When you never hear me over here. When you think say 1, 2, 3, the whole, every 2 over camp can't take me off of it. Not one, you can't take me off of it. Me get to know anybody in the world. Because this belongs to the Almighty. This belongs to no Prime Minister, no President, no priest, no boy in the world, no Bill Gates, no Putin, no boy can't take me. That's what you know. So the pass out of there. I don't know if you know what to create a problem. Because we're not creating a problem.
We're not going to create a problem now. We're not creating a problem in the done. We're not run people off of the Almighty beach. How do you run people off of the beach of the Almighty? Eh?